how much did I earn from YouTube monetization in my first month? Right now, my Google AdSense balance is 200 euros. This amount from my YouTube channel monetization, which has not yet transferred to my bank account. I started this channel less than a year ago, and I want to show you how much you can realistically earn on YouTube as a completely unknown blogger starting from scratch. My name is Alex Blogoodf, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. My story began last year in early autumn when I started this YouTube channel. I am a graphic designer with 10 years of experience, and on my channel I wanted to share the processes of designing logos and icons. But then I realized that I wanted to talk not only about my professional work, but also about my interests and hobbies. That's how videos about gaming consoles and retro game emulators started appearing on my channel. Recently, I released a video about how I am learning to fly an FPV drone. On January 7, my channel reached its first 1000 subscribers, which I made a short video about. Currently, the channel has more than 2500 subscribers. My audience spans practically the entire world, from the United States to Argentina, Serbia and Nepal. Moreover, in mid-May, my channel reached 4000 hours of video views, and I was able to enable YouTube monetization. I want to know that income from YouTube monetization depends not only on the quality of your content, but also on the niche in which you release videos. In my case, it's a fairly complex set of formats, ranging from tutorial videos about the graphic design process to reviews of consoles and gameplay of various retro video games. Therefore, my cost per 1000 views, CPM, constantly changes depending on the popularity of a particular content type. At the moment, you can see that CPM is 7 euros, which I think is a very good and promising figure. Now, to increase my income, I just need to get as many thousand views as possible. I know you might say that this is too small an amount to earn, and I agree with you that this is a very low level of income. But it's important to consider that there are other sources of income hidden here. Firstly, this channel has the potential to bring much more money from YouTube monetization in the future. Secondly, thanks to my channel, new clients find me for whom I design logos and icons. For example, I made this set of icons for Columbia Engineering University and showed you the design process in my video. And I also made this logo for the company Joydis and also posted a video on my YouTube channel detailing the logo design process. So I recommend you definitely watch these videos via the link in the description box. Thirdly, my channel already brings me income from advertising integrations and reviews. I've made several videos about the site Packdora, which I use from creating 3D mockups and animations and presentations for clients and short videos. I also started collaborating with stores and manufacturers of portable gaming consoles who provide me with their devices for reviews. All of this motivates me to create great and high-quality content. Yes, my channel is still very small and young, but I am happy to invest all my strength and time into it to develop and improve the quality of the content. In the last 30 days, the channel has gained 60,000 views, which of course motivates me, and I am happy to share this information with you. Maybe it will help some of you not to give up in the face of difficulties in the life of a blogger. I want to know that I don't have a large content production company. I do everything from start to finish in my videos by myself. I write the script, record and edit the voiceover, shoot the footage, edit the video, create the thumbnails and video descriptions, and upload everything to YouTube. All production processes rely solely on me. Therefore, I physically cannot upload several videos a week to YouTube. Most often, I manage to make one video every week or a week and a half. Now let's take a look at the analytics and see how much I earned in my first month on YouTube. And before we continue, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. This helps me promote the channel. Also, you can click the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. By the way, you can become my sponsor on YouTube or Patreon. This is a unique opportunity to become part of our private community and gain access to exclusive content. I regularly share mockups, interesting fonts, wallpapers, and other useful design materials with my sponsors. Thank you for your attention. Let's continue. Let's set the interval from May 16th to June 16th, and we see that in the first month I earned my first 102 euros. Personally, I consider this a good indicator, as up to this point my videos didn't bring me a single cent, and 102 euros is more than zero, which means there's potential for channel growth. Thus, you too can start your YouTube channel and soon reach monetization. And if you are already on the way to enabling it, I wish you a quick accumulation of watch hours and the speedy achievement of your first 1000 subscribers. To do this, use a few tips that I use on my own channel and that will be useful for new YouTube users. Always engage with your audience. Responding to comments and interacting with viewers helps build a loyal community. Ask for feedback and suggestions to improve your content and make your audience feel valued. When creating videos, try to optimize them. Use SEO techniques when describing your videos on YouTube to make them more searchable. This includes using relevant keywords and titles, descriptions, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles to attract clicks. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos regularly, whether it's once a week or once every 2 weeks. Consistency helps retain your audience and attract new viewers. As I mentioned earlier, videos on my YouTube channel come out once a week or every week and a half. I haven't used the next tip yet, but I am sure it works great. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations can help you reach new audiences. Partner with other creators in your niche to create engaging content that benefits both channels. Study your channel's analytics daily. I regularly check YouTube analytics to understand which content performs better and which performs worse. Analyze viewer behavior, watch times, and demographics to tailor your content strategy. By the way, you can shoot your videos even on a phone without worrying too much about content quality. But I recommend investing in good equipment. While content is keen, good audio and video quality can significantly enhance the viewer experience. Therefore, always invest in a good microphone and camera as your channel grows. If you're interested in the equipment I use to create videos, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely make a video about it. Besides all these tips, I want to add that starting and growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right strategies, success is achievable. I'm still at the very beginning of this journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.